Kia ora koutou, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another skipping tutorial. My name's Sasha. Today we're going to add on from the last video I posted in the beginner series. So if you haven't watched that one, go and watch the 180 video and then come back to this one because we're going to add on to it, okay? Today I'm going to teach you about the 360. So the 360 is a really cool way to turn all the way around with your rope. I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. Okay, so we've got 3 jumps there. So in the 180 video, I've already taught you how to do the first half of this, which is really awesome because you're going to pick it up, no problem. Okay, so the first half of it was to do that bit, to make it all the way around to halfway, basically. Let's have a little reminder about what that looked like. So it was a forward jump, and then we sweep the rope down along the ground as we turn our body, and we go into a backwards jump. Okay, so that's halfway. So once we've done that backwards jump here, leave the rope in front of you, and as we turn back to the front, so we're going all the way around, we're not coming back the way that we already turned, we're going all the way around the circle. We're going to jump backwards and then lift the rope up to the sky as we turn this time, all the way around to the front. So this way, when we turn the first half, we sweep the rope down to the ground, then we hold it up to the sky to come back to the front. And then as we come all the way up, the rope's up at the sky, and then we do a little jump once we're back at the front. Let's have a little look in slow-mo. So there you have it. Cool little way to turn all the way around in a circle with your rope. Basically a forward jump, a backward jump, another forward jump. You've got this. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.